Hello friends, how are you today? My topic is, as you can see, the OSI network layer. That what it is. Okay. So before moving to my topic, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to watch my previous videos. Okay. So first of all, IPv4. The network layer or open system interconnections OSI layer 3 provides in services to exchange the individual pieces of data over the network between identified end devices. To accomplish this end-to-end transport layer 3 users the process outlined in the following. In the following sections to address the packet to the proper destination, encapsulate the packet with the necessary data for the delivery, route the packet through the web of the connected networks that will deliver the packet to the destination network for the delivery, and finally have the destination host decapsulate the data for processing. The details of these processes are explored further in the sections. The network layer communication from host to host. The network layer or OSI layer 3 receives the segments of data or PDUs from the transport layer. These bits of data have been processed into a transportable size and numbered for reliability. It is now up to add to the network layer to use protocols to add addressing and the other information to the PDU and send it to the next router along the best path or route to the destination network. Network layer protocols such as widely used AIP are rules and instructions that devices are used to enable sharing of upper layer information between hosts. When the hosts are different networks, additional routing protocols are used to choose routes between the networks. Network layer protocols specify the addressing and packaging of transport layer PDU and describing how the PDU is to be carried with a minimal overhead. Then network layer describe four tasks to be performed: addressing packets with an IP addresses and encapsulation. The third one is routing, and the fourth one is decapsulation. The next section describe each task in more detail and the describe proper network layer protocols. Addressing IP requires each sending and receiving device to have a unique IP address. Devices in IP networks that have IP addresses are called hosts. The IP address of the sending host is known as the source of IP addresses. The IP addresses of the receiving host is referred to as the destination IP address. The conventions of IP addressing will be explored in greater detail in Chapter 6, addressing the networks uh, with IPv4. Okay, encapsulation. Each PDU send the networks need to be identified with the source and destination IP. Uh, IP bits that identify the PDU as a network layer PDU. This process of adding information is called encapsulation. When an OSI layer 4 PDU has been encapsulated at the network layer, it is referred to as a packet. For example, in figure 5.1 displays how the segments are encapsulated at the network layer and how IP packets the process is reversed at the destination. Okay. So after that, routing. When the packet is encapsulated at the network layer, it contains all the information necessary to the travel to networks near and far. The journey in between networks can be very short and relatively simple, or it can be complex and involve many steps between routers connected to different networks. Okay, so routers are devices that connect networks. They specialize in understanding OSI layer 3 packets and protocols, as well as calculating the best path for the packets. Routing is the process routers perform when receiving packets and analyzing the destination the address information, using the address information to select a path for this packet, and then forwarding the packet on the next router on the selected network. Each route that the packet takes to route the next device is called a hop. Okay, so this is it for today's topic. Time to go. Goodbye. Meet you in the next video.